Today, we'll explore 10 compelling reasons why rosemary tea could be a game changer for your well-being. Let's dive into the science-backed benefits of rosemary tea. 1. Improved blood sugar levels. First on the list is its remarkable impact on blood sugar levels. If you're dealing with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, rosemary tea could be your ally. It works by enhancing insulin sensitivity, ensuring that glucose is absorbed more effectively by muscle cells. 2. Enhanced blood circulation. Moving on to benefit number 2, rosemary tea plays a vital role in enhancing blood circulation. By dilating blood vessels, it actively lowers blood pressure. Furthermore, it boosts microcirculation, ensuring that more oxygen is delivered to tissues throughout your body. 3. Relief from digestive problems. For those grappling with digestive issues, benefit number 3 is particularly noteworthy. Rosemary tea addresses concerns such as gas, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. Its antispasmodic qualities work wonders, relaxing the digestive tract and improving overall digestion. 4. Brain function enhancement. Now, let's explore how rosemary tea can be a tonic for your brain. Benefit number 4 showcases its potential to combat brain damage, optimize nerve cell communication, and improve memory, concentration, and mood. It's not just a tea, it's a cognitive enhancer. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Benefit number 5 delves into the anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary tea. If you're experiencing joint pain or muscle inflammation, incorporating this herbal infusion into your routine might offer relief. Its effectiveness extends to conditions like arthritis and osteoarthritis. 6. Stress reduction. In our fast-paced lives, stress is inevitable. But fear not. Benefit number 6 highlights how a daily cup of rosemary tea can aid in combating stress and contribute to better sleep quality. It's not just about sipping a warm beverage. It's a holistic approach to relaxation. 7. Immune system strengthening. Benefit number 7 showcases rosemary's prowess in strengthening the immune system. With its inhibitory effects on viruses, bacteria, and fungi, it's no surprise that rosemary was historically used as a natural food preservative. Consider it your immune system's loyal ally. 8. Detoxification of fatty liver. For those concerned about liver health, benefit number 8 is especially relevant. Rosemary tea minimizes fat accumulation in the liver, providing a protective shield against cell damage and inflammation. It's a detoxifying elixir for your vital organ. 9. Benefits for skin and hair. Benefit number 9 explores how rosemary tea goes beyond internal health. It combats premature aging, addresses various skin conditions, and offers relief from dermatitis, acne, and psoriasis. Your skin and hair will thank you for this natural remedy. 10. Eye health promotion. Lastly, benefit number 10 highlights rosemary tea's role in promoting eye health. It slows down the progression of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, reducing the risk of these conditions. Rosemary tea, a vision of health for your eyes. The benefits of rosemary tea are diverse and backed by scientific research. From improved blood sugar levels to enhanced brain function, stress reduction, and beyond, this herbal infusion is a holistic elixir for your overall well-being. Consider adding a cup of rosemary tea to your daily routine and embark on a journey towards a healthier you. For more health insights and wellness content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And guess what? Your knowledge journey doesn't end here. Click on the next video popping up on your screen to continue unraveling the secrets of natural remedies and well-being. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your health and wellness.